Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Franklin Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Our experienced movers know how to ensure your long-distance move doesn't consist of all the stress. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the country, we're here to assist you. With the best moving services to assist you, any kind of move, small or large, becomes so much simpler. If you're serving for a general move or a full-service move, our company provides all the options you require, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. When you examine the main benefits you gain, the expense might be a lot easier to manage. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides one more benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our professional movers provide effectiveness with each and every move. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. Even if your move is large enough that it will take you all week, we can get done in no more than one day. If you want to work with a reliable Franklin Park moving company, you need to contact us now. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Franklin Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.